Hey guys, this video is going to be the last video of the lesson series sets. If you haven't checked out my previous videos on this playlist, you can find the link to those videos at the top right corner of the screen or in the description below. So we stopped at this question in the last video and I asked you guys to try it out. So let's discuss this question now. Information on the types of fruit that were purchased by the customers who arrived at a grocery store one day is given in the Venn diagram below. On that day, all who brought either pineapples or papos also purchased bananas. So the question clearly states that if a customer has bought pineapple or if a customer has bought papos, they also bought bananas, which means there is no customers who bought pineapples only or who bought papos only, because as you see, the set pineapples and papos are subsets of the set of people who bought bananas. So as I always do in my previous question, let's go ahead and identify the regions. So to identify the regions, let's draw a similar Venn diagram to that we have over here. So clearly we can see that that set is the set of people who bought pineapples. So whoever who falls into that blue region must have bought pineapples. And also from the question and from the Venn diagram, we clearly see that whoever who bought pineapples also bought bananas, as the entire set pineapple is a subset of the set of people who bought bananas. So people who belong to this blue shaded region are the people who bought pineapples and bananas, but clearly not papos, because the set of people who bought papos belong to this particular set over here, and clearly this region that I've shaded in blue is out of this set, and therefore the people who belong to this blue region definitely did not buy papos. So that blue region over there are the people who bought pineapples and bananas only. Now let's come to this region over here. Similarly, this region will be people who bought papos and bananas only, because this region is clearly out of the set of people who bought pineapples. So this green region represents the people who bought papo and banana only. Now the middle region, as you might have already guessed, is the region where you can see the set banana, pineapple and papos, all of them overlap. So that particular region indicates the number of people who bought all three fruits. So bought all three. And then we have this region, and this red region is clearly outside the sets papo and pineapple, but however that's still inside the set of people who bought banana, and therefore that red region is the region that belongs to people who bought banana only. So this region is bought banana only. And finally the outside region, and by now you must clearly understand that this outside purple region indicates the number of people who did not buy pineapple, banana or papo. So this purple outside region indicates the number of people who did not buy any of the three fruits. So did not buy any. They might have bought other fruits, but not pineapple, banana or papos. Alright, now that we've identified the region, let's go ahead and answer the questions. First question says, how many bought pineapples? The set that indicates pineapple is this set, this entire set. So the numbers that belong to that set is 8 and 5. So the total number of people who bought pineapples are 8 plus 5, which is 13. Right, now in the second question they say, if 12 people bought papos, how many bought only papos? Now the word only papos here doesn't mean that that particular customer bought papo only, because in the question itself they've told all who bought either pineapples or papos also purchased bananas. So there is no way that a customer can buy only papo, because the question says no one buys papo alone or pineapple alone. They buy always along with bananas. So according to the context of the question, what we can think of is that if 12 people bought papos, how many bought only papos, means out of papos and pineapples, they only bought papos. So that's basically they're talking about this region here that is not necessarily only papos, but papos along with bananas. So 12 people bought papos, so 5 plus something should give me 12, because the total number of people who bought papos is 12. Since this is 5, this has to be 12 minus 5, which is 7. So 7 people bought peppers. The third question says, if 40 people bought bananas, how many bought only bananas? So the total number of people who bought bananas is 40, which means this number over here plus this and plus this. All of this together is 40 because all of them bought bananas, right? So they all belong to the set bananas. So if we add these three together, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, which means the number of people who belong to this region is 40 minus 20, which is 20. So the answer to that is 20. Fourth question, if there were 10 other customers who purchased fruits but did not buy any of the given three types. So if they did not buy any of the three given types in the question, they would probably be the outside region, which is the purple region, did not buy any. So they say that the number of people who belong to that region is 10. So this is 10. Now the question is, how many came to the grocery store that day to buy fruits? So from this we can understand what they are asking is the universal set. So to find the universal set, we just have to add all of these numbers together. So that is 40 plus 10 is 50. So the universal set is 50. So that is 50 people came to the grocery store on that particular day. Last question, how many bought only two of these three types? So two of these three types is basically this one, pineapple and banana only, and pepper and banana only. These are the two areas that talk about 2 out of 3 items, and they've mentioned only 2 of these 3 items. So we don't take all 3 into consideration for this question. We only think about the regions that talk about the customers who bought 2 of these 3 types. So which is this region and this region. So 8 plus 7, that is 15. So that's how you do it. Hope you understood this question and enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And also please feel free to comment below if you have any questions or if you have any topics that you want me to discuss in my future videos. So see you soon with a new lesson.